Hey everyone, this is an incredibly super special Monday must-have kicking off our Christmas in July. From now until the end of the month, we have so many wonderful things in store for all of you. Okay, so what is a Tara's must-have? Well, a Tara's must-have is an item that's pretty practical and purposeful. It's either a collection or a specific piece that I have picked just for you that checks all of those boxes. And I don't know about you, but when I think about the holidays, when I think about entertaining, I always gravitate towards a pie plate. And this one is absolutely stunning. Take a peek at all of the detail inside here. First of all, this is a porcelain base. If you're looking at this and thinking, wow, that looks super bright white, it absolutely is. And then it is adorned with that beautiful Christmas tree, that metallic silver that still goes in the oven. It still goes in the microwave. You can still put it in the fridge and the freezer in your dishwasher. No worries, no muss, no fuss, but you have the whipping of the snowflakes that absolutely create that beautiful tree. You have the gorgeous silver that runs around as if it's the gorgeous accents on top of it. And not only is it the center that's beautiful, but it's all the way around that gorgeous pie dish. You can see the beautiful snowflakes there. You can see the ruffle fluted edge. I just can't tell you how absolutely spectacular this is, not only as a gift for someone else, but a gift for yourself. It does come in a gift box. We have the gift box over here. Take a peek right here. So if you're thinking about gifting this, how fun to maybe write the year that you're doing it, the to and from that you're doing. It's just those special pieces that mean so much. Okay, so $14.95. I know, I needed to actually just pause there for a minute too. Under $15 gets this beautiful pie plate home, and it's not just about pie. It's also about quiche. Can you imagine coming down Christmas morning and maybe it's your cinnamon rolls that you always make every Christmas morning, or it's a beautiful quiche that you love to make, or it's just a great pie that you're known for. I think now more than ever, we're gravitating towards these great, beautiful pieces that not only make us inspired to cook again, but also add that beautiful setting, which is what this brand is all about. Getting everybody back around the table, even if it's just your family. So like I mentioned, head on over to temp-tations.com where you can check out our beautiful porcelain with our gorgeous silver detail of what we call our Christmas Eve pie plate. And remember, it comes in the gift box, $14.95 for a limited period of time. And I will tell you guys, we do not have a lot of these to go around. This is truly a limited edition. It's truly one of a kind, and we have no plans on making anything like this again. So if you want this at the heart of your home, if you want this on your holiday table, now is the time to do it. Head on over to temp-tations.com, $14.95, and we're just getting warmed up and ready with our basically 2-week Christmas in July extravaganza. All right, see you then. Bye, everyone.